Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what just might be the best foam in a can on the market. Loctite Tite Foam Gaps and Crack Spray Foam Sealant. This little 12-ounce can pack some serious punch when it comes to sealing, insulating, and protecting your home. Whether you're a weekend DIY warrior or a pro looking for a reliable product, this is one you're going to want in your toolkit. Let's talk about what makes this foam so impressive. Loctite Tite Foam is a polyurethane-based expanding foam insulation that's specifically designed for filling and sealing gaps and cracks up to 1 inch wide. That makes it perfect for those pesky spaces around pipes, windows, doors, and baseboards that let in drafts, pests, or moisture. Once you spray it, it expands to fill the space completely, giving you a durable and airtight seal. What really sets this foam apart is its density and flexibility. The high-density structure of the foam means it's not just a gap filler, it actually provides insulation value, helping to reduce energy costs by keeping your hot or cool air right where it belongs. And unlike cheaper foams that shrink or become brittle over time, this stuff stays flexible. It's designed to move with the building, so even as your house settles or shifts slightly, the foam holds strong without cracking or breaking its seal. Another standout feature is its durability under harsh conditions. Loctite engineered this foam using purified and concentrated ingredients that give it serious resistance to UV rays. That means if you're using it outside around vents, siding, or trim, it won't degrade in the sun like lower quality products often do. It holds up season after season, rain or shine. Now, application is super easy. The can comes with a straw-style applicator that gives you precision control, so you can get right into tight corners without making a mess. Shake it up well, spray it into the gap, and within about 8 minutes, it's tack-free. You can cut or trim it in around 50 minutes, and it's fully cured in 24 hours. And the bright white color gives a clean look or a solid base if you want to paint over it. One of the biggest perks of using Loctite Tite foam is its adhesion. It bonds to almost any building material: wood, concrete, brick, stone, metal, PVC, you name it. That versatility means you're not limited in where you can use it. It becomes a go-to solution for all kinds of fixes and upgrades around the house or job site. Whether you're insulating a new build, doing renovations, or just sealing up some air leaks to improve energy efficiency, Loctite Tite foam gives you pro-level results in an easy-to-use can. It's compact, reliable, and performs well above its price point. You're getting premium strength, flexibility, UV resistance, and strong adhesion all in one. So if you're looking for a smart, solid investment for your next project, give Loctite Tite foam a shot. We've tested it, used it, and we stand by it. It's the best foam in a can for a reason. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more product breakdowns, and drop a comment if there's a tool or product you want us to test next. See you in the next video.